Welcome back to the channel. This is pretty much full bump height straight up. When it flexes, it will have a little bit more, which means we've got to cut out quite a bit here. We're gonna have to cut the bumper, trim the fender, as well as the inner fender because it's gonna get pretty close here. And then we got to put everything back together in the engine bay so we have everything zip tied up so we could get the coilovers through. We still have to weld the coilovers on the top side and gusset them, get all the links welded, and then we got to pull the link, all the link mounts from the frame side, weld all that, as well as the cross member, and then we got to do the exhaust and brake lines, and that's pretty much it. So a whole bunch of little stuff to finish this thing up, and then it'll be full tear down to paint. Let's get to it. All right, got the link mounts out. We're gonna weld these things up so we can get them back on track. All right, got all these welded up, so it's time to put them back in the truck. I do have the alignment bolts, so I'll bolt it up and then weld it in. Link mounts are all welded in. So we can now pull all the links, weld the links out, and then we can paint all that stuff before we put it back together. All right, got the main links, both lowers, upper and track bar all welded and painted. I'm leaving the steering on just for a minute. That way I can get these installed and then pull the steering off, weld those and paint those because it's kind of helping hold the axle where it's at. But before we can paint the axle, I painted part of it. Before we can paint it, we got to do the brake lines. That way we can weld the tabs and mounts as needed. So real quick, I'm going to knock out the brake lines, get those done. That way we can pull them off, paint the axle, and then start reinstalling parts. All right, so we're gonna leave this factory brake line and then we're using a flexi to allow it to turn, and we'll weld that tab right there. And then use this stuff and bend up some brake hard line that comes to a T in this area. And then we'll have another flexi up the link, and same thing on the upper side, or the frame side. All right, that's what the brake line looks like to the T from each side. And the flex allows it to turn, so now we just gotta go up to the upper link into the frame. All right, so I've been terrible at filming, but I got the brake line finished up. I also got all the steering finished up. Everything is back together, welded, painted. I still have to finish the exhaust out, so the old downpipe on this, the collector setup, came over here straight down and it would hit the link. So I have some stainless. I made my own collector that comes into this area. That way we should have plenty of clearance. So now I got to build a piece to come through down below to the side of the transmission here, so that the old exhaust that was already on here can fit back up. That way we don't have to build a full exhaust. All right, so the previous downpipe basically came straight down, and then this also came down farther below the frame rail. Obviously the upper link is now above the frame rail. So we pretty much got to cut this somewhere in here. Probably gonna go all the way back here just to kind of clean all this up and then bring it around that link back into this exhaust. All right, there's the old collector setup and downpipe. Cut it right here because there's an O2 sensor in this that we want to leave in here. So we're gonna have to make the new setup come into this. All right, so we bolted, well, hung the exhaust back in, and this isn't gonna work either because this is underneath the link, and obviously the link's got to travel through here, so we need to move it this way. Problem with just moving it over is the O2 sensors won't fit back in because they're, can't really see it, they're right towards the transmission. So we're gonna have to cut it back here and move everything over and spin it so that the O2 sensors can come up into this kind of space here and get it out of the way of the link. All right, this is what we've come up with. Nothing super fancy, but it all clears. All right, got this collector all welded up.